One Monday evening, a young lady walked in. I think my shoes might be older than her. Then came out this magnificent voice and aura, and you know somebody's going to be doing great things. You just know it. And that's what Billy and I heard, and that's what you're going to hear tonight. This is a future star, Lindsay Ann Taylor!
The girl who has everything. Look at the stroll, treasures untold. How many wonders can one Catherine hold? Looking around here you think, sure, she's got everything. I got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I got who's and what's galore. You want thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I want to be where the people are. I want to see young dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down the, what's that word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay to spend a day warm on the sand? That children land, they understand that they don't reprimand their daughters. My young women, stick swimming, ready to stand and ready to know what the people know. Ask them my questions and get some answers. What's a fire and why is it? What's that word? Burn. When's it my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore that shore up above? Out of the sea. Wish I could be part of that Welcome. My name's Lindsay. I'm 15 years old. I obviously love to sing, and I love Broadway. That's my dream. And singing here in New York is amazing, and I'd like to thank Billy and Judy for that. So thank you. I'd like to thank everybody for coming out here and supporting me tonight. I really appreciate it. And so being a 15-year-old has its ups and downs, especially when Mom here always nags you about like cleaning your room or having a bad report card, and I can't help that sometimes. So the next song I'm going to sing is from my mom, and it's called I Gotta Be Me. Whether I'm right or whether I'm wrong, whether I find a place in this world or never belong, I gotta be me. I gotta be me. if I'm not right for me. I gotta be free. I gotta be free. Daring to try for doing or die. I gotta be me. Don't tell me not to live, just sit and putter. Life's candy and the sun's of all the butter. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. Don't tell me not to fly, I simply gotta choose. If someone takes a spill, it's me and not you. Who told you you're allowed to rain on my parade? I'll march my band down, I'll beat my drum, and if I'm down, your turn at bat, sir. At least I didn't fake it, hat, sir. I guess I didn't make it, but whether on the road of sheer perfection, of reckless